is a friend. So today we're going to see how to use R with the consonants. Okay? So in a previous video, we've learned how to use the R sound with the vowels like AR, ER, IR, OR, and UR. Right. So today we're going to see how to learn the blendings of R with the consonants, right? Very good. So these are in English actually we have a lot of blendings, right? Like many words, letters blend together forming a new sound. And here, these are mostly used blending sounds with R. So I'm going to teach you guys this one first so that you can practice at home because many people tend to have a problem with these blendings. Alright? Okay, so let's get started. Here we have T, R. How does T sound like? T, T. Very good. R, R, R. So T, R, Tr. Again, Tr. Say with me twice. Tr, Tr. Very good. Okay. So let's use blending here in a word. Tr, E, tree, tree. Very good. Tr, ain, train, tr, ain, train. Again, tree, train. Very good. G, 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 R, 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 gr, g, r, gr. Right? Like this. T, r, tr, g, r, gr. Very good. Gr, in, green, gr, in, green. Very good. Here, gr, apes, grapes, gr, apes, grapes. Very good. How does this sound? B, b, right? B, r, br. Again, b, r, br. Very good. Brown, 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 brush, 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 brush. Okay? Don't say brush. It's not brush. It's brush. You sound right? Like umbrella, umbrella. Yes. So this sounds like brush, brush. Very good. D, r, dr. Again, d, dr, dr. Very good. Dr, s, dress, dr, s, dress, dr, ink, ink, drink, dr, ink, drink. Very good. F, r, fr, f, r, fr. Right? Frog, fr, og, frog, fr, og, frog. Very good. Fr. Sorry, I. Right? Fr, I, day, Friday. Fr, I, day, Friday. Very good. Okay, so here I've written KR and the words are CR. Why? Because in English, C has different sounds. One C could sound like K. One C could sound like S, right? It has a different sound. So here, this C sounds like K, right? K, K. This is actually C, but it sounds like K. So K, R, K, K, R, K. Very good. K, ab, crab. K, ab, crab. Very good. K, in, cream. K, in, cream. Very good. This one. P, r, pr. P, r, pr. Pr, ins, prince. Pr, ins, prince. Pr, ice, price. Pr, ice, price. Very good. Okay, so let's review again. T, r, tr, g, r, gr, b, r, br, d, r, dr, f, r fr k r kr p r pr very good okay so now let me hear you guys say this one again very good yes Yes, very good, great job. Okay, so let's read one more time. Tree, green, brown, dress, frog, crab, prince. Very good. Okay, thank you so much, guys. If you have any doubts, make sure you ask down in the comment section. Okay, thank you. See you guys next time. Bye.